Always refer to the Rotax two-stroke operators, installation, line maintenance. Neglecting these essential procedures. To further emphasize the importance of regular inspections of oil injection lines, PTO piston, and cylinder head, with a noticeable blue oil coating which was consistent with the color of the injection oil, designed to be highly durable, and issues are quite rare. Proper oil flow, which is critical for engine lubrication. If you find any defects, as it ensures adequate injection oil is delivered at specific RPM ranges. If you have any questions or inquiries regarding the installation, maintenance, or operation of your Rotax two-stroke powered aircraft, please reach out to your local Rotax authorized distributor, service, or repair center. We offer a growing library of technical videos on the Rotax owner website. If you want full access to all of our video content and to receive critical safety information for your Rotax aircraft engine, don't forget to subscribe to rotaxowner.com.